What's up guys, welcome back to Bake It Better. First, I hope you and your families are safe and healthy during these hard times. Today's video is a short but sweet one as we tackle a staple in the bake shop, salted caramel. Thick and creamy with a perfect level of sweetness, caramel is a perfect partner for almost anything you can make. So join me in creating the irresistibly enticing salted caramel. So first, we want to heat our cream in a small pot and keep it just below the simmering point while we make our caramel. This will help prevent an extreme reaction when we add it to the hot sugar later on. In a separate pot, we'll want to add our water, lemon juice, and sugar. Lots of sugar. So much sugar. Hey, never said this was healthy. Using a spatula, we want to stir the mixture up, making sure all of the sugar is hydrated. We'll place this on a medium-low heat to come up to temperature. Occasionally, we can swirl the pot around, trying to promote even cooking. Try to avoid stirring, as you can lift some sugar granules onto the sides of the pot. If we don't melt every granule, the sugar can recrystallize in the pot, ruining all of your hard work. Stay with the pot the entire time. This can take some time, so feel free to find ways to keep yourself occupied while you wait. You can play the drums on the table, swipe through Instagram for a while, get some pics for the story, or just dance, or at the very least, do some weird body movements. Anyways, as the sugar gets more colored, you can lower the heat just to ensure you don't overcook the sugar. Once the caramel starts putting off a little bit of smoke and is a deep amber color, we can take it off the heat and slowly stream in our cream. Be very careful at this point. The sugar will bubble and steam aggressively, which hurts a lot. Continue to whisk in the cream until it's fully mixed in. Next, we can start adding our butter in stages. I then transferred it to a different container to make the step just a little bit easier. I recommend using an immersion blender to fully blitz it up. This makes a perfect emulsion. Just whisking it by hand though is also a good alternative if you don't have one. Now is a good time to also add the salt. Mix it in until everything is combined. Now is a great time to check for seasoning. Be careful as this mixture is still very hot. If needed, add more salt and mix again. Like many things we make, we'll place the plastic wrap on the surface of the caramel. Cover and let this chill in the fridge until cool. This can keep in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. And here we have the final product. Delectably decadent and vivaciously versatile. I hope you give it a go. You can find my recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you back here in my kitchen for the next episode. I'll see you then.